Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, I want to take you on a short drive, a short POV drive, because I'm just finding an excuse to take this Challenger Scat Pack out. So it's been raining on and off. There is the floor is definitely wet, but the car has all season Pirelli tires, so that should be good. But yeah, we're gonna go on a very short POV drive. Again, it's an excuse to take the car out and make a video, pretty much, while waiting for the weather to get better. This yellow thing is starting to irritate me a little bit because they are so ugly. I mean, the car is purple with like yellow stuff on the fender. It's kind of weird. But the thing is, I mean, I'm like, there's this thought in the back of my mind saying Dodge put it for a reason. I know it's for transport only, you're supposed to remove it, but I think it's still protecting it against something. I don't know, maybe a curb or something like that. But yeah, let's take it for a drive. So, taking my 2022 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack shaker on a POV drive. This car is too quiet for my taste. I literally just got off my 2019 Mustang GT, and this is just so quiet. I mean, I definitely need to do an exhaust mod on this. I need to replace the exhaust on this vehicle because it's too quiet for my taste. Too quiet. But this thing feels much more comfortable to drive than the Mustang, and it's much bigger. Much bigger than the Mustang. Like I said, the only regret I have is not having rev matching. Oh, this thing is jumpy. Very jumpy, but I think it's just because the manual transmission in this is a little bit different from the one in the Mustang. Got you. And plus it's raining, and this car has all season tires, so I'm not gonna push it too hard. But yeah, I mean, the Mustang and this feels light and day and night, or light and dark, or whatever you want to call it. You can feel the difference. The Mustang is a lot more reactive, and when you floor it, you instantly go. But I mean, again, granted, to the Challenger's credit, it's bone stock, so I can't compare a bone stock vehicle to a car that's tuned. But there's a little bit of lag. I mean, I'm in 4th gear right now. I want to downshift to 3rd and then try to floor it. I mean, half throttle. It's raining. I don't want any more. Okay. Okay. It is fun. It's a drag racing, I mean, roll racing a boat. I mean, before I owned one of these, am I lifting the clutch too fast? I think that's probably why. But the clutch in the Mustang is so much lighter than this, so it gets confusing a little bit. Especially getting right off the Mustang into this, it gets a bit confusing. But overall, I mean, this is, I can see myself driving, you know, New York to Texas in this vehicle, but definitely not the Mustang. The Mustang, I will get there, but with like a backache or something. But this thing, I mean, it's just like a giant couch. I mean, everything has been said already about this vehicle. You have to experience it, you have to drive it to really know what all the fuss is about. But man, I love this vehicle. I love this comfortable couch. I want to try to keep it as stock as possible, because, well, there's not much to do with this vehicle to start with. And then also I heard the 6.4 don't respond very well to mod, so oh, come on. Really? Is he gonna turn? I mean, I hate doing it, but what do you guys think? This thing is too quiet. I mean, it's really, really quiet. And I don't like that. I mean, it's no Hellcat, but for what it is, I mean, you know, the sound should be like roaring or something. I don't know if you guys through microphone of the camera, you can hear something, but it is very quiet in here. But I don't know if it's because I just got off my Mustang, which has long tube headers and aftermarket exhaust, that I'm feeling this to be so quiet, but it is quiet. For a 6.4, I mean, it's quiet. It is quiet. Performance page. I haven't done anything performance-wise with this vehicle. I haven't done any 0 to 60 or anything like that. But this car gives you so much information, and if you are really into drag racing or just racing in general, you will be very appreciative of this. I think this is what the Mustang lack. If the Mustang had all these information, it would be great. I mean, for something that's not even a track car, it gives you all these information. It's incredible. When you go to dyno, it tells you how much horsepower you're using at all time, how much torque you're using. I mean, it is great. Really, really great. The timer tells you your 0 to 60 time, your 1/8 mile, your 1/4 mile. A lot of people have tested it, and it is fairly accurate, because I know those who have tested it have found that it's about a couple tenths of a second off, so which is not by maybe 3 or 4 tenths of a second off than, you know, the time that gives you from the drag strip or something like that. And I think it's like 2 tenths of a second off the draggy. So really, really good. Really, really good for like a boat like this to have all these performance oriented stuff. And then a cars like a Camaro or a Mustang don't give you all these. I mean, obviously all of these you have it in the Mustang and the Camaro. The oil temperature, the oil pressure, the coolant temp, and the battery voltage, you do get it in the Mustang and the Camaro. But as far as, you know, how much G-force you're pulling, I think the Mustang may have a G-force graph. I can't remember by memory, but I think I've seen it in my Mustang GT. But yeah, this thing, I mean, is very, very performance oriented. It's incredible. It is incredible. Even though it's not fast, it's still one of my favorite vehicles to drive out of my fleet of American muscle. The Mustang obviously being my first, you know, my very first favorite, just because it's just so nimble, so compact, and it just responds very well, and it sounds really awesome because of the aftermarket exhaust. And this second, because it is very comfortable, very comfortable. It gets the look. I mean, people see you, they wave at you. Like, it is very, 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 very nice. And I feel, you know, like I have plenty of space. I have all the visibility I need, and just looking at that shaker hood in front there rumbling is, I mean, you can't price it up. Like, you can't put a price on it. And my Camaro is third only because it has a 6-speed automatic instead of the 6-speed manual in the Challenger and the Mustang. But if the Camaro had a 6-speed manual, that would have been my favorite vehicle to drive by far. And the reason why, oh my God, Grandma, really? And the reason why I'm saying that is because I own a 2016 Chevy Camaro SS with a 6-speed manual. I love that car so much. So much. It was incredible to drive. The chassis balance was awesome. Like, it was a great vehicle. But then unfortunately I sold it. And when I was shopping for my Camaro SS, I was actually looking for that generation, the 2016 and up, but the price was kind of too much for what I was willing to pay for, so I settled for a 2011 Camaro SS instead. But I don't regret my choice at all. The Camaro is a great vehicle, rides really well. It's just like, it's not as engaging as one of these, unfortunately. So yeah, I mean, right now I get all this information: horsepower, torque, oil pressure, miles per hour. I mean, and this thing, I mean, is, I have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated and cooled seat, heated steering wheel. I mean, navigation, backup camera, even though the backup camera is pretty trashy. But I mean, it's literally the best. If you can get it for a good price, this is the best bang for your buck. And I love the fact that it says shaker on that. I mean, this is an aftermarket decal, but it says shaker on that, and you see that shaker hood like standing up every time you floor it. Is really good. But yeah, my only complaint with the vehicle, it's too quiet for my taste. And yeah, that's it. I want to follow everybody. And I have lane departure warning. I mean, I don't have lane keep assist though, but who cares? I'm really curious to race this car and see how it compares against a lot of cars. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end today's video. It was a short POV, not a lot of action. I'm sorry about that, just because it was raining, but you'll definitely see a lot more POV action with this vehicle. A lot more POV action. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.